Well, I'll say that was a mighty, mighty bounce for Bitcoin. What a lovely recovery. Are we going to see more green candles? Is there light at the end of this gloomy, gloomy tunnel? Well, we can see Bitcoin swung all the way down to $15,489, came back up to a resistance here at the neckline of the resistance of this ascending triangle, $16,900, came back down to 16.1 and pumped all the way up to $18,000, guys. We've seen an 11% pump here for Bitcoin. Should we put our buying hats back on? What coins are in the market at the moment that could potentially keep on pumping through to 2023? Is this hopefully going to be the bottom for Bitcoin? Fingers crossed. Ladies and gents, if you're new to the channel, subscribe. I'm doing a $1,000 giveaway as well. A little way to say thanks to everybody, and the winner will be announced on the 1st of December. So if you want to enter, just simply slap that subscribe button. Don't forget to get yourself into the Discord down below as well, where we're talking about all things pre-sales, DeFi staking, signals. We've got loads of juicy things in the Discord for you to enjoy, as well as the new pre-sale. So which coins are the best to potentially buy? We can see we're all looking green in the market. Loads of layer ones up, Matic is up, Bid is up, Maker is up, Shiba, Cake, we're all looking rather juicy once again. Ethereum literally came down to $1,000 and it's already $1,267. So euphoria is coming back into the market, but we should still stay risk averse, which is why I'm going to talk to you about seven coins which I think have massive upside potential from now through to next year to make some really, really juicy gains. And looking at historical data, we can still see that October, November and December generally perform very, very well for Bitcoin. We can see these green candles, these green charts right here. Every time it's green, it reflects that Bitcoin has performed really well in that month. And the odds are that November and December will also be very, very good. So was the whole FTT disaster just another preordained malicious black swan event? Who honestly knows? But I do think we've got some massive things coming soon. So I'm going to show you guys or talk to you guys about my favorite 7 cryptos for this month of November. So let's get started. Number 1 is going to be the all new mystical metaverse land of the robot era. This is a new play to earn metaverse game, kind of similar to Sandbox. You are effectively a robot in this awesome rebuildable planet world, and it's in pre-sale now, guys. So we could effectively see a 10 to 100x here. So like I say, pre-sales do have amazing upside potential. You might think they're a bit risky, but they do perform very well in crypto bear markets. Tamadoge a 20x, Battle Infinity did a 7.5x. You can see this particular coin, if you get into this and when you do start playing it, it's going to have massive upside potential. You can build a new metaverse with other NFT communities, explore special spaces and find rewards. You can use the editor to create land or robots, participate in creating buildings or create NFTs too. So it really does look very exciting, immersive gameplay, lots of replay value and longevity attached to this ecosystem. You can see it says Robot Era, building a sandbox-like planet, rebuilding metaverse. You will become a robot managing your own land and participating in the creation of the world. You can also acquire resources from the land, create robot companions. Here you can create everything you can imagine and start a new era with other robots. So Robot is Robot Era's primary NFT and the player will be incarnated as Robot. Hi Robot. Robot belongs to 7 different camps, each with different attribute advantages. Holding Robot will unlock many benefits. I can imagine there's different cosmetics, metadata build-ups, and attributes as well, depending on the items you collect. Here's an example of how they look. They are kind of cool. They remind me of sort of like neon transformers or something like that. But, you know, I think that's pretty cool. He's giving me Optimus Prime vibes. Wow, he really is actually. So if you hold these NFTs, you can be exclusively eligible for airdrops. You can earn. You can rent out your robot. That's pretty cool, right? You can create mining minerals from the land, and you can become part of a DAO, which gives you voting rights in this particular governance token on protocol upgrades and kind of cool things like that in the future. Here is a little snippet of the land. Robot Era has 7 continents, all different biomes, and they're different lands. So each land is a unique NFT. Holding a robot will give you the chance to mint this land. So this is very, very nice to see as well. And we can see the operation of the land. It's fully functional. It's tangible in its own kind of augmented reality kind of way. And as you can see, here are some different gameplay features. So I really like what I see here. It's an ERC20 token. You can buy this today using literally Ethereum or US dollars on the how to buy section. You just connect your MetaMask wallet. So it's really easy to do. 1 Taro equals 0.02 US dollars. And once it does go through to the next pre-sale phase, it will go up to $0.025. So just like Tamadoge, you want to get in early to maximize your upside potential. And there's only 1.8 billion tokens here, guys. So only 1.8 billion Taro tokens, which is not a lot at all, and 15% of the total circulating tokenomic supply is distributed into the pre-sale. So definitely do check this one out, guys. It looks really cool. I love their goal and their vision. You know, they want to provide a powerful multi-dimensional multiverse or metaverse. Swallow my own tongue over here, there's a lot of words. And yeah, just check out the white paper. So have a look at Robot Era down below. I've left a link for you. Read the white paper, research the product, guys. Make sure you do your own due diligence, but I do honestly think we're going to see another potential 10x over here. The next one will be Calvaria. I'm going to leave this one down below for you as well. It's a play to earn battle card game. Super exciting. We can see they've already raised $1.67 million during a crypto bear market. That's right, that's a whopping $1.6 million. It's in stage 4 of its pre-sale. It will soon be going to stage 5, where the price does go up and you can only acquire 33.33 RIA tokens for doing so. Looking at the light paper of Calvaria, there's some really nice unique selling points. First, I love the graphics. I think they're so bright and immersive. But looking here at Calvaria, I mean, it's just a stunning game. Great tokenomics potential. You might like this one too. I honestly think it's got similar potential to Robot Era, but Robot Era does excite me a little bit more. But we can see versus the competitors like Gods Unchained, Spellfire and Splinterlands, well, Calvaria just simply has the competitive edge for me. Coin number 3 is going to be Dash to Trade. I do hold a lot of this one. I'm going to be honest. I got about $18,000 worth of Dash to Trade. So naturally, I'm very bullish on this one here. It's a trading platform. Dash to Trade provides crypto trading signals, predictions, and social analytics to help traders make informed decisions. So very nice. It will help you be exposed to high value opportunities in the crypto market, such as pre-sales, such as, you know, the next 10x, and such as the next coin to pump or maybe even dump. So it's very useful, and it's relevant to traders of all levels, intermediate, experienced, and beginner. So these are my favorite 3 so far. They're all in pre-sale phase. That means they've got massive upside potential. Do check out those pre-sales using my links down below. Have a look at the Robot Era one as well. That's really interesting, massive upside potential. And in my Discord channel, which you can also join down below, we've got a little tab here for all 4 of the live pre-sales. Of course, we had Tamadoge go live, but we've got Robot Era right here, and I've also got Dash to Trade, Calvaria, and IMPT. So there's 4 pre-sales you can potentially take advantage of. Now the next 4, these aren't in pre-sales, but these are some real OG coins, and I still think they've got huge upside potential. First one is BNB, rank 4, $299. I mean, unfortunately, it did come down to 262 over the last few days. It actually bottomed out around 261, but it's already flipped up to $300, so it's made a 10% move since that potential bottom. I think BNB will easily floor and sail through $1,000 by 2025. The next one is going to be, are you ready, guys? Hope you're ready. Ethereum, I'm so bullish on rank 2, $1,265. I don't really understand why it's been in such a lull for a long time, but when we look at the year to date, you can see we flopped from almost $4,000 down to these lows. So we're chopping at the similar lows that we saw of July 2022, and I think this is a really strong reaccumulation range. If we do lose the 1-2 level, then there's a threat of losing $1,000, but I do think by 2030, very realistic to see a $10,000 Ethereum. The next one is going to be Polygon, everybody. Yes, that's right, Polygon, rank 10 amongst other cryptocurrencies. Very bullish on this particular coin too. It's got up 35% on the daily time frame, so it did bottom out quite heavily just yesterday. It actually came all the way down to like 0.81, which is very low, but we've made a nice recovery. It's not fully recovered just yet, but I think if you're bullish on Ethereum, you should naturally be bullish on Polygon Matic because it scales Ethereum, and I think as a rank 10 coin, there's definitely potential to see this as a rank 5 in the future. Looking at the market capital history of Polygon Matic, the all-time high was 19 billion. Currently it just sits around 9 billion, so I do think by the next crypto bull run we could see a safe 5 to 10x here for Polygon Matic. Now the next one is going to be our friend Cardano, rank 8, $12 billion market cap. When we look historically at the market capital, we can see Cardano had a market cap of a crazy 94 billion. It almost hit 100 billion in terms of the market capital. Seeing 12 billion now makes me feel like this is rather undervalued. By the next crypto bull run, we could still see a 100 to 200 billion dollar market cap. Now, the thing is, these particular 4 coins I've just shown you, these are much more stable than those pre-sales I just displayed to you. The market cap is much higher. A 10x is going to take much longer. If you're looking for profits much quicker, guys, then I could recommend that you do look into the robot era pre-sale. It's only got a $7 million hard cap, which means it will sell very quickly. And it does mean that you'll be exposed to the public sale, which we should see a huge bump when it gets launched on centralized and decentralized exchanges. The same goes for Dash to Trade and also Calvaria. These are huge upside potential pre-sales, guys, but of course, manage your capital wisely. Don't just ape in, don't just DeFi degen in because I'm telling you to. I'm just saying that they could do quite well, and this is not financial advice, by the way. So check out Robot Era. There's a link for you down below. Have a look at Dash to Trade and Calvaria too. They're definitely worth looking at, ladies and gents, because I do think we're going to see some crazy upside potential. And when the market realizes the potential of pre-sales, when you do find the right ones, not the shitcoin ones that have price tags like 0.0000000000378, that's just a crap coin, guys. They're notorious. These are real good backed projects with cash flow, and they are working with some of the juggernauts in the crypto industry, which will push these into the right faces across all geographics and basically all demographics across the entire world. This is exactly where these coins are going to be marketed to. That's why I'm so bullish. It's not just for chaps in a boiler room, in a freaking basement trying to make some money and pulling the rug on you. This is some serious marketing efforts that you're going to see for Robot Era, Calvaria, Dash to Trade, IMPT token, and that's why I'm so bullish. We are looking at the pioneers, the top of the top, the blue chips, the flagship of marketing in the crypto world. That's why you should be bullish, not only on the utility and the fundamentals, but on the people behind these projects. So, and me, I'm behind these projects. You should support me too, because I'm going to help support you. Anyway, that's probably a wrap with this one. I hope you did watch till the end of the video. If you did, please say, hi, I watched until the end. Wave emoji. That would mean quite a lot to me. I think crypto today is looking rather nice, and that's probably going to be a wrap of my video. Get yourself into the Discord channel, please, and also please do subscribe to enter the competition and giveaway. Check out that link down below. You will not regret it. It's a little bit.ly one that says Robot Era. Bye for now. I know you want to. Go on, have a look, have a read. Yeah, do it now. Yeah.